Marky, tell that bluebird to get out of there. Tell him to get.
Don't be ready up.
Tell that bluebird to don't take those peanuts. Tell him. Yeah, no peanuts. Tell him. Say no peanuts, bluebird. See him? Say come back, squirrel. Say come back, squirrel. Say come back. Come back, squirrel. Tell him. Say come back, squirrel. Where are you, squirrel? Say go away, bluebird. Here comes that bluebird again. Keep him away from it. Take the container. Okay. You tell him, Marky. Say no more, bluebird. Yeah. Oh man, he's still getting the ones that are left in there.
That's fine.
Okay. See, he flies all the way over there.
I couldn't see.
Maybe put him right out here.
What?
Maybe put it right up on the deck.
Okay. Right
Like
here?
over by where JC is, up on the rail, by the tree maybe. See over underneath that little tree that's up on the deck? Maybe put it on there so that the squirrel will have to come and get it. Man, probably up. That way Henry doesn't eat them. Up on top, yeah. Like in the corner. Maybe in the corner. Yeah.
I'm trying to hide the squirrel food, huh?
Well, I just tried to keep it from that bird, but I bet that bird's gonna find it.
Okay.
I bet so.
Do you see it, Marky?
Smell it.
Did he come back?
It makes me mad. That little swiper?
I hear all those little birds.
That swiper. See that
Okay,
bird?
hold on.
Where are you, squirrel?
And Gary, I think.
Where are you?
Let me look, see if you have a deal at that. I think we gotta be closer to 19.5, maybe a 19 you have a deal. Hold on.
I know. Come here, Marky.
Okay, let me log in.
Okay, let's wait for the squirrel to come